Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Logging is an essential part of any application, including Django projects. It allows you to track and record various events, errors, and information related to your application's behavior, which is crucial for debugging and monitoring. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up and use Python logging in a Django project, with practical code examples. Django provides a flexible and powerful logging framework that can be configured to meet your specific needs. To get started, follow these steps. In your Django project, open the settings.py file and add the following imports at the top. Add the following code to the settings.py file to configure your logging settings. In this configuration, you can adjust the logging settings to your requirements by modifying this configuration. Now that you have configured the logging settings, you can access the logger within your Django code. In any Django module where you want to use logging, import the logging module and create a logger instance. Django logging supports multiple logging levels, each with its purpose. The most commonly used levels are: you can use these levels to filter and control the granularity of the logged information. You can use logging in your Django views to track the flow of requests and responses. Here's an example of how to use logging in a view. You can also use logging in your Django models to track important model-related events. Here's an example of how to use logging in a model. By default, we configured logging to write to a log file. However, you can log to different outputs such as the console, email, or even external services like Elasticsearch or Splunk. You can customize the logging configuration in your settings.py file to achieve this. Logging is a crucial aspect of Django development that helps you monitor and debug your application effectively. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and customizing the logging configuration to your needs, you can gain valuable insights into your Django project's behavior. Properly implemented logging can save you time and effort when troubleshooting issues in your application. ChatGPT